Religions of India. Meaning of religion. In olden days, human beings found it difficult to explain the forces of nature such as the aspect of the sun and the moon, occurrence of rainfall and storms. Therefore, they believed that they were serpent force or God who controlled everything from above. This belief was an important factor to give rise to religion. A number of religions came up in ancient and medieval times. Some of them, such as Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, originated in India and are practiced till date. Even throughout people follow different religions in India. They respect each other's religion and are friendly towards other religion communities on the whole. Religion, the belief of existence of a god or gods, and the activities that are associated with this belief. Religion, its signification. Religion shaped the cultural beliefs of people to great extent. Art, literature, and are greatly influenced by different religions followed by people. The expansion of many religions adds to the cultural diversity of our country. Religions in India. Throughout the history of Indians, religions have played an important role in shaping its culture. Here, people follow different religions. Some of them have been discussed of as follows. Hinduism. It is most ancient religion followed by majority of people in India. Unlike most other religions, there is no single founder of Hinduism. Buddhism is found by Gautama Buddha in the 16th century BCE. The followers of this religion believe in the following the path shown by the Buddha to uplift themselves. Islam. The originated in Arabic with the teachings of Prophet Muhammad who was chosen by God to deliver his message of peace. Those who followed Islam are called Muslims. They believe that there are only one God. Christianity. There is a religion based on teaching of Jesus Christ. The Christians believe that Jesus is the Son of the God. They also believe that the God forgives people for their sins. People must love God and each other. Jainism. It has an ancient Vardhaman Mahavira is considered as the most important teaching of Jainism. Jainism believes that the most conquer all their temptations. They must lead a pure and disciplined life as taught by the holy man. Sikhism. The Guru Nanak founded this religion in Punjab. He was the first Sikh Guru. After him, there were 9 more Gurus who had the highest religious authority. Sikhs believes in the importance of leading a truthful life. They believe in treating everybody as equal. Ego, angry, greedy, achievement, and lust are considered as 5 devils that human must overcome. Guru Nanak was the first Sikh Guru. After him, there is a Search the internet and find out of the night. Hinduism, places of worship, temple, religious texts, Vedas, Bhagavad Gita, Puranas. Major festivals, Holi, Deepavali, Dasara. Religion plays a very important role in the lives of people in India. It states certain principles which people must follow in their daily life. There must be difference among people over religion. However, it is important to understand that all religions express in the same morals such as love, consistency of humanity, and service to humankind. These are the most important values to build up a good society. Many different religions are followed in India. Religion. Thank you.